If you're looking to streamline your business development processes, Salesflare can be an excellent solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Salesflare for business development in a quick and efficient way. Stay tuned because by the end, you'll know exactly how to use this powerful tool to accelerate your sales pipeline and improve your workflow. First, let's dive into how Salesflare helps you manage your customer relationships. It's an intuitive CRM designed for busy professionals who want to automate tedious tasks. It can track your emails, meetings, and even social interactions with potential clients. This means you spend less time inputting data and more time focusing on what really matters, closing deals. One of the main benefits of Salesflare is its automatic data capture. It integrates with your email and calendar, automatically logging interactions without you lifting a finger. This is a game changer for business development teams who want to focus on building relationships instead of worrying about manual data entry. By connecting with your Gmail or Outlook account, Salesflare imports your emails and calendar events, creating a detailed history of your contacts. As you grow your pipeline, Salesflare's automation features step in to keep things moving forward. For example, if a lead hasn't responded to an email in a while, Salesflare will automatically remind you to follow up. It even provides tailored reminders based on the lead's behavior, ensuring you're always staying on top of potential sales opportunities. Salesflare also shines when it comes to tracking your sales pipeline. You can easily categorize and move deals through stages, from initial contact to closing. The visual pipeline is simple to understand, and you can customize it to fit your team's specific workflow. This clarity ensures you never lose sight of where each opportunity stands, and you can prioritize your actions accordingly. Now, let's talk about reporting and analytics. Salesflare offers a range of customizable reports that help you understand your sales performance. You can see where your leads are coming from, track conversion rates, and identify bottlenecks in your sales process. This data-driven approach enables smarter decision-making and helps you optimize your strategy. What's especially great is that Salesflare is not just for large businesses. If you're a small business owner or just starting with sales automation, you'll find it simple to use without getting overwhelmed by unnecessary complexity. It's scalable, meaning as your business grows, you can easily adapt the tool to your needs. A powerful feature of Salesflare is its team collaboration tools. If you're working with a team, Salesflare keeps everyone on the same page. You can assign tasks to team members, share notes, and track progress together. This ensures that all leads are handled efficiently and no opportunity falls through the cracks. So, what's the best part? You can try Salesflare for free from the first link below, where we also have exclusive bonuses for you. This extended trial will give you full access to explore all the features of the software without any commitments. Whether you're managing a small team or building an enterprise sales pipeline, Salesflare can help you grow your business more effectively. To wrap up, if you're looking to improve your business development process with a CRM that automates data entry, tracks your sales pipeline, and gives you actionable insights, Salesflare is a top choice. The exclusive free trial from the link below will allow you to dive in and test everything firsthand. Don't forget to check out the link and grab your free trial now.